Do you want to know how to use the rest of this year to make it the best of your years? In this video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the rat and what the rest of the year has to offer for them. Which months are easy and which hide a bit of a danger for this zodiac sign. So do you know how to use your BaZi Chinese horoscope to make the best for your relationships, personal development, and business development in this second half of the water rabbit year? So what's in it for you? Let me show you where to find out how to use the power of your personal BaZi to optimize and achieve your goals. And if you stay until the end, I will give you some special dates for the second half of the water rabbit year for the rat to take action for success. So hi, I'm Sandra and I've been teaching and consulting Feng Shui and BaZi as well as meditation for over 2 decades now, first in Germany and now here in New Zealand and Australia. So in this video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the rat and what the rest of the year has to offer for them. So it's about which months are easy and which hide a bit of a danger for this zodiac sign specifically. And for this, we have to look into the 4 pillars of destiny and what they can mean in relation to your personal development, your business development, your relationships. And in this video, for the rat specifically. So do you know your personal BaZi, your Chinese horoscope? So maybe you know the year the animal of the year you're born in, but do you know that there are 3 more animal signs which are really important for your personal path in life? It's the animal you're born in, the month, the day, and the hour. And depending on where this animal sits, it can have a totally different meaning for you. So would you like to know more about it? Let me know in the comments if you do. So let's get started. First, we're going to look at the general energies of this year, the water rabbit year 2023. So the water rabbit year is about inner development, upskilling, learning, your intuition, maybe even new beginnings. It's also about your well-being and harmony, compromises, because we want to achieve the healing and the well-being. We sometimes have to compromise, and this is what this year is about. But this year is also about concentrate on what is important. Don't let it all spread too far out there. So generally speaking, what is the rat like? Well, to cover the rat with one word would be ambitious. And just letting you know, it's not just the year, so also the month of December and the hours between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. are considered for the rat. So, but let's just stay with the rat. So those born in the year of the rat are usually just charming, quick-witted, intelligent, sometimes even charismatic. It's a very social sign. So rat people tend to be very talkative and are almost never found sitting quietly in their corner on their own. So, but be aware, they can have quite an opportunistic personality. So they seldom make lasting friendships, but they are honest. Sometimes a little bit too much, maybe. They can be a bit greedy and calculative, and their greatest enemy is their perfectionism. Their perfectionism for sure. So they can be a bit difficult to work with, but their talent may be enough to make up for that. So what is this year like for the rat? So the year governor, as I said, is the water wood rabbit. So the water definitely favors the rat, which is in nature a water sign, but the wood weakens it. So it's a bit of a mixed game this year. The rats have to watch to not exhaust themselves too much. And also don't make too many plans. Concentrate on the project you already, or projects, you probably have more than one, you're a rat, that are already going. So, and health-wise, please stay patient. Re-energizing and recovering takes time sometimes. So be kind to yourself. What I promised you and what I'm going to do is really what are those last months of this year looking for you. Let's have a look at the months to come. Well, the June is a horse month, and traditionally the horse and the rats clash. But that doesn't mean, oh, misfortune or do nothing, stay home all month. No, not at all. It just means changes. So again, this what I said before is in this month even more important. Don't waste your energy on things that you can't change. Be in the here and now. Enjoy what you have achieved and built so far. So maybe take care of a few details this month and not the big things. So that is the clash month for you in June. You have 3 combination with the monkey and the dragon. The monkey month is the August. The dragon month was the April, so that's already gone. So August, yay rats, support is cavalry is coming, the monkey is coming. So it's support for you. So take action towards your dreams in August for sure. This month should be easier than the ones past, but you need to be organized. Be organized now, and the rest of the year will be easier too. Look out for the dragon days. I'm gonna give you the special dates later on, especially in August. The December is the red month, so stay in the here and now. Some grapes may be hanging too high for you, so stay focused, stay on what you know, and don't be too much out there. You know, your red qualities are really your talent and your ability to bring people in and everything, but your perfectionism is in the way. Don't be too perfect. Perfect doesn't exist. Go with Pareto principle, 80-20. That's totally really good. And just this month, don't spend any money that you don't have, dear rats. No, please don't. And then the January we have a combination with the ox. So in February, the dragon is already coming up with its ability to get things done, but not just yet. A bit more patience, dear rats, because the ox, the January, is not known for innovations. Actually, it's more about sticking to what is, so be a bit more patient. Sometimes it's easier to wait until the door is fully open to not get hurt, my dear rats. But the thing is, do you really have to wait for the month to activate your good combinations? Well, the effects may be stronger if it's contained in the year or the month, but we also have the day animal. And even you could go down to the hour if you wanted to go down that road, which means for the rat, if you're in a monkey or dragon month, look for the dragon and monkey days, and then you will have a 3 combination to push your luck and your success. So here we go. I promised you some special dates, and right in June, there is already one, which may be a bit controversial, but bear with me. The 23rd of June actually is a red day. And that red day is actually a month breaker, and it is a destruction day. So from an old BaZi perspective, it's like, oh my God, this is going to be a really, really bad day. Sorry, no, you can use that day. It's the month breaker and it's a destruction day. You can use it for change. Watch it unfolding on that day. If you want to change something, this is your day, but don't look back. If you're doing the change on the day, don't look back. It will come, trust, but you can use that day. And if something is happening without you thinking about it, and something starts to crumble or change on that day, then just think about me and say, Sandra said there's going to be change on that day, and there it is. Don't look back. August, we've got 2 really great days for you. The 14th and the 26th of August, because it's the monkey month, as I said before, and the 14th and the 26th of August is a dragon day, and it's also a success day. 12-day officer, if you know what I'm talking about. So these 2 days are really, really good for you, and success days. So use those days, the 14th and the 26th of August. And then, of course, because your red month in December, I've got 2 dates for you. The 2 ox days, because it's combination, the 9th and the 21st, and they're also both remove days. So you can use those days to remove anything you don't want to have in your life, or to declutter, or to just anything you want to remove, anything and get rid of it. These are the 2 days to do it. And then also, of course, the ox days generally and the ox month in January are also really good. But now the question is, so where do you have the red in your BaZi? Which pillar? So just to remind you, the year pillar stands for the social aspect of your life, how you behave among friends, acquaintances, and your luck with them in general. The month pillar represents your career industries, where you might find the most opportunities, and your ability to provide value and how you would do it best. The day pillar is about who you are on a fundamental level, your inner nature, what makes you unique, as well as representing your love life, by the way, because we've got the self and the spouse pillars in the day pillar. The hour pillar is representing your thoughts, ambitions, and goals in life, as well as your aspects of children and investment and how you would relate to your subordinates. So, depending on where the red sits in your BaZi, this is the area to take action now / on these dates that I told you. Clash, combination, what is it? Job, career, relationship, business, investment. Where is the red? And you now know also where the best days and months are to take action. So looking out for combinations and clashes as well. I like to use them. So now that you know all that, what is the one thing you can do now or plan for those days in one of those areas to bring you forward? One thing, just one thing to prepare the path. It doesn't have to be a massive effort, because sometimes the small baby steps are preparing the path with much more ease than lifting the heavy rock right at the beginning. So, and you now also know that you have 4 animals that define your possibilities and opportunities in relationship, personal development, business development, and so much more for the rest of the Water Rabbit year. So stay tuned for more insights into the other animals of the Chinese zodiac here on this channel, and what to emphasize in the last months of this Water Rabbit year to optimize and achieve your goals. Because next year is going to be a Wood Dragon year, which will be a totally different game. And if you want to know what is best to do this month, well, have a look at my monthly The Power of BaZi monthly forecast series, also here on this channel. And of course, you could subscribe to my channel and you wouldn't miss any of the videos then, right? Okay, wow, this is me for now. Have a fabulous time, and I'm going to see you again soon. Bye.